10 fun ways to use Hidden Pictures worksheets in your classroom. Hidden Pictures worksheets are more than just a fun game. They're a versatile tool that bring energy, creativity, and learning to any classroom. The worksheets are available in our Patreon, come with ready-made word banks and fun scenarios, making them perfect for all levels. Whether you're teaching young learners or older students, these worksheets can help develop observation skills, vocabulary, sentence building, storytelling, and even cross-curricular learning, all while keeping students fully engaged. So why use hidden pictures in lessons? It's for interactive learning. Students actively hunt for objects rather than passively completing exercises. It supports vocabulary and word recognition. Word banks allow students to connect words with images immediately. It's flexible for all ages. Younger students can focus on finding items and coloring. Older students can practice writing, speaking, and creating stories. Engaging across subjects. It can be adapted for language, science, math, social studies, and more. Low prep, high reward. Teachers can print and use immediately or integrate into digital lessons. The 10 best ways to use hidden pictures in class. Vocabulary hunt. Students search for hidden objects and label them using the word bank. It's perfect for reviewing or introducing new vocabulary. Have students spell the words aloud or write them in sentences. Assign a theme or topic to objects in the worksheet. For example, color all the animals blue, all the foods green, all the tools red. This helps students categorize objects visually and reinforces understanding of themes and topics. Sentence building challenge. After finding the objects, students write short sentences using them. The monkey is climbing the tree, or I see a red kite flying above the park. Older students can create mini paragraphs or short stories. Use the hidden objects as inspiration for a creative story. Students can tell their stories orally or write them down. Encourage imaginative scenarios. What would happen if all the animals in the picture came to life? Preposition practice. Students describe where objects are using prepositions under, next to, behind, above. It can be done individually, in pairs, or as a class activity. Partner discussions. One student describes an object without naming it. The partner guesses which item it is. It encourages speaking, listening, and descriptive language skills. Team competition. Divide the class into teams to see who can find all the objects first. Teams or pairs earn points for using the objects in sentences or storytelling, combining speed with language practice. Cross-curricular exploration. Use themed hidden pictures to reinforce topics in other subjects. For science, it can be about planets, animals, or plants. For geography, landmarks, city objects. Health, foods, body parts. Students can find objects, group them by category, or discuss them to reinforce content knowledge. Memory challenge. Show the hidden picture for a short period, then remove it and ask students to recall as many objects as they can. It strengthens attention, observation, and memory skills. Creative scenarios. Instead of drawing their own hidden picture, students can invent a scene. Imagine a new scenario using objects from the word bank and describe it orally or in writing. Puzzle swap. Cut out the objects from the worksheet or make a list and challenge classmates to place or describe them in a new scene. Hidden picture worksheets are a fun, flexible, and effective way to make lessons interactive. With ready-made word banks and theme scenarios, teachers can integrate them into lessons for vocabulary, storytelling, grammar, observation skills, and cross-curricular learning. By using these 10 creative activities, a simple hidden picture can become a dynamic classroom experience that keeps students engaged, learning, and having fun. Vocabulary board game. Create a board like Snakes and Ladders. Each square has a task. For example, students have to define or spell, give a synonym, or make a sentence. It's a fun review and there's competition between students. Word search races. Share a digital or printed word search. The first to find all the words wins. It's great for spelling and visual word recognition. Matching games. Match words with pictures or definitions online or in cards. Add synonyms or antonyms. It's great for reinforcement and categorization. You can try word search labs. Story cubes or story chains. Use a die or cards with words and pictures. Students tell a short story including the words. Have them write the story as a group. Use vocabulary in context. Vocabulary charades. Students act words without speaking. Use verbs, emotions, or idioms. It's great for kinesthetic learning and memory.